Today, my friend Seoul and I are taking a walk through the Bukchon Hanok Village. Hanok refers to traditional Korean homes. The Bukchon neighborhood is famous for its exquisite Hanok architecture. I'll talk you through our conversation and explain the vocabulary as we explore this historic district in the heart of Seoul. Ready? Let's go!
우리 이쪽으로 가요.
얼마나 멀어요?
500m 정도예요.
앞으로 쭉 가요?
네, 그 다음에 왼쪽으로 돌 거예요.
좋아요. 가볼까요?
좋아요.
My friend Seoul and I took a subway to Anguk Metro Station to visit the Bukchon Hanok Village. As we came up the stairs, Seoul looked around and then she pointed north. 우리 이쪽으로 가요. She was saying, let's go this way. 우리 이쪽으로 가요. It looked like a long, busy street, so I asked, 얼마나 멀어요? Or how far is it? 얼마나 멀어요? She said, 500m 정도예요. That means it's about 500 meters. 500m 정도예요. I was curious what we'd see along the way. I asked, 앞으로 쭉 가요? Or do we go straight? 앞으로 쭉 가요? She replied, 네. That's yes. Then she said, 그 다음에 왼쪽으로 돌 거예요. That's then we'll turn left. 네. 그 다음에 왼쪽으로 돌 거예요. That would take us to the village. I was ready and said, 좋아요. 가볼까요? That means great. Shall we go? 좋아요. 가볼까요? She responded, 좋아요. You just heard this. It means great or nice. 좋아요. Let's see where the road takes us. 한옥들이 정말 아름답네요.
이쪽에 더 있어요.
앞으로 쭉 가요?
네, 그 다음에 오른쪽으로 돌 거예요.
가볼까요?
좋아요.
We entered the village and stopped to look at the traditional Korean homes. I was amazed at the architecture and said, 한옥들이 정말 아름답네요. These homes are really beautiful. 한옥들이 정말 아름답네요. 서윤 pointed up the road and said, 이쪽에 더 있어요. She was saying, there are more this way. 이쪽에 더 있어요. I asked, 앞으로 쭉 가요? You've heard this before. Do we go straight? 앞으로 쭉 가요? She nodded and said, 네, 그 다음에 오른쪽으로 돌 거예요. You know what 네 is? That's right. Yes. 그 다음에 오른쪽으로 돌 거예요. Means, and we'll turn right. 네, 그 다음에 오른쪽으로 돌 거예요. I said, 가볼까요? Remember that? Shall we go? 가볼까요? You heard what Seoyun said. 좋아요. Great. 좋아요. Hanoks date back to the Joseon period 600 years ago. People still live in them today. The buildings embody natural elements, incorporating wood and earth in their construction. As we walked the narrow streets, my friend pointed out the architectural features of Hanok. The patterned walls are built of stone. Magnificent gates and doors are carved from wooden slabs. Roofs are made of wood and clay, and their framework forms the ceilings within the home. Masterful craftsmanship. Let's review some sentences we used. Try saying them along with me if you'd like. 이쪽으로 가요. Let's go this way. 앞으로 쭉 가요? Do we go straight? 네. Yes. 우리는 왼쪽으로 돌 거예요. We'll turn left. 오른쪽으로 돌 거예요. We'll turn right. 가볼까요? Shall we go? 좋아요. Great. Let's see what happens next. 아름다워요.
네, 그리고 크네요.
우리 시장에 가봐요.
버스로 갈 수 있어요.
얼마나 멀어요?
5km 정도 돼요.
가볼까요?
좋아요.
We continued up the hilly roads until we came to stairs leading down to a busy avenue below. From here, we had an incredible view of the city's historic palaces. I said, 아름다워요. It's beautiful. 아름다워요. 서윤 replied, 네, 그리고 크네요. You remember 네? That's right. It means yes. 그리고 크네요 means and it's big. Indeed, Seoul has almost 10 million people. 네, 그리고 크네요. While we watched the bustling city below, I had an idea. 우리 시장에 가봐요. Let's go to the market. Seoul has amazing markets. 관장 Market is one of the best for produce and food stalls. 우리 시장에 가봐요. 서윤 got excited and said, 버스로 갈 수 있어요. We can take a bus. 버스로 갈 수 있어요. That sounded good, and I asked, 얼마나 멀어요? Remember that? How far is it? 얼마나 멀어요? She said, 5km 정도 돼요. It's about 5 kilometers. 5km 정도 돼요. You know what I asked? 가볼까요? Shall we go? 가볼까요? And of course, she replied, 좋아요. Great. 좋아요. Let's review some more words and sentences. You can try saying them too. 아름다워요. It's beautiful. 크네요. It's big. 얼마나 멀어요? How far is it? 500m 정도예요. It's about 500 meters. 5km 정도 돼요. It's about 5 kilometers. Now that I've broken the scene down for you, let's watch it in real time to see how much you've already learned.
우리 이쪽으로 가요.
얼마나 멀어요?
500m 정도예요.
앞으로 쭉 가요?
네, 그 다음에 왼쪽으로 돌 거예요.
좋아요. 가볼까요?
좋아요.
한옥들이 정말 아름답네요.
이쪽에 더 있어요.
앞으로 쭉 가요?
네, 그 다음에 오른쪽으로 돌 거예요.
가볼까요?
좋아요.
아름다워요.
네, 그리고 크네요.
우리 시장에 가봐요.
버스로 갈 수 있어요.
얼마나 멀어요?
5km 정도 돼요.
가볼까요?
좋아요.
We took the bus to Gwanjang Market, a foodie's paradise, famous for its food stalls, restaurants, and traditional foods. If you want to go, you might say, 광장 시장에 가요. Since the 1400s, Namdaemun Market has supplied locals with clothing, crafts, and household goods. If you want to go, you could say, 남대문 시장에 가요. For traditional medicines, roots, and herbs, visit the Gyeongdong Market. If you want to go, you might say, 경동 시장에 가요. Getting around Seoul is easy, thanks to its extensive public transit systems. Buses are super convenient. Seoul has designated bus lanes that allow buses to breeze past traffic. To take a bus, you might say, 버스를 탈게요. The metro subway system's lines crisscross the city. You can use cash or a prepaid card. To take the subway, you can say, 지하철을 탈게요. Taxis are the most popular mode of private transportation. You can hail one on the street or use a mobile app. To take a taxi, you might say, 택시를 탈게요. Whether you're walking through Seoul's peaceful historic villages and lively shopping markets, or zipping across the city by metro to its business and entertainment districts, Seoul will amaze you. Thanks for joining me today as we toured through a vibrant neighborhood of traditional homes and traversed the city like a local. To learn more useful phrases and gain more culture insights, check out our other videos.